Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro. Today I'm going to be unboxing the M3 iMac in pink today. So let's get started. So the M3 iMac, a model I have today, is the base model with 8 gigabytes of CPU and GPU, 16 gigabytes of unified memory, 12 gigabytes of storage with the keyboard and Touch ID. So to unbox this, we pull a little tab at the top here, just like that. Now we're going to lay this flat on the table. Now we just go ahead and open this iMac up, and there it is. Plus, this is my second time unboxing an iMac ever in my life, so this is a new experience for me. So you see there's two arrows. It may be hard to see this here. Just pull this out, and you see it basically opens the box up. There's the computer, says hello. And that is surprisingly light. There's that pink on the stand there. There's the accessories here. And I did not get the keyboard with the numeric keypad. I just got it with Touch ID. And so there's the accessories. First, we got a color matching trackpad here. Get this wrapper off. There it is. The pink magic trackpad. Looks really nice. And then the magic mouse, which is unchanged, but also color matched. So it's more of like a rosy pink to me, rather than a direct pink. Then the keyboard with Touch ID. So this does not have the extra upgraded features onto it, just the basic keyboard with Touch ID right there. You can see it also comes with a braided pink USB-C to lightning cable for charging the accessories. We got a power cord that goes into the power supply right here. And last up, very interestingly this time, something I've never seen before, an external power supply with the MagSafe charger that goes into the computer. That's very interesting. Now onto the iMac. You can see there's some paper covering up the iMac to protect it. To release it, we just pull these tabs right at the bottom here, and that just comes right off. And that color looks really nice. The red on the back and the pink on the stand. That looks really good, I have to admit. Let me just go and peel the label off the front here. And there it is. And that looks really nice. Okay, the pink on the front, and then the red on the back. That is a really nice shade of red. So in person, this looks really nice. Alright, so now to the accessories. There it is, with the standard power cord. And now to the power supply and the MagSafe connector. You see, I actually got the one with Ethernet. See, mine has an Ethernet port. I got the upgrade. Just in case the Wi-Fi chip fails, I can use Ethernet the backup. And there's some paper covering up the MagSafe charger itself. Alright, so there we go. It is actually a MagSafe style connector. Even it's color matched inside as well. Alright guys, so before I power this computer on for the first time and set it up, I want to show you guys that this is the lower end 8-core GPU iMac M3 model, not the higher 10-core model. See, it has 2 USB-C ports rather than 4. So this is the lower end model here with the upgraded features. And on the side here, we got a headphone jack as well. Alright guys, so now we're going to go and get the iMac plugged in and powered on for the first time. See guys, see there's the MagSafe charger here. And even the insert is color matched. Really nice attention to detail. So it should auto align, just like that. See, since it's MagSafe now, it auto-aligns itself and snaps into place, just like that. So now to power on the computer, now we just press and hold the power button. So now with the iMac powered on, we're going to go and turn on our magic mouse and magic keyboard here. There we go. Now it's saying the hello. And now the little animation is really nice. And it'll show it in every language. Now we're just going to hit this continue button. Get all set up. Oh, really nice attention to detail. The setup screen is color matched to the iMac. Really nice little attention to detail I've never noticed before. Alright guys, so I'm back. My computer is now all set up perfectly. And a little attention to detail I noticed. That even the system preferences are now color matched to the computer. So when you select something, you guys can see it's all color matched, which is really nice. So here's my 2019 Intel iMac next to the M3 iMac, and this is a big upgrade for me because this is the only iMac I've ever used up until now when I got this one. So this is my second iMac I've ever owned. A pretty big difference, substantially big difference for me. The reason why I upgraded is because the internal hard drive on this computer is starting to fail. So that's why I upgraded. Because the slow exporting speed, slow downloading, hopefully the SSD, the M3 chip, will make that process much quicker. Yes, I also have some accessories for this computer, which allows me to use USB devices with a USB-C computer, including an adapter. This is for this accessory, the Apple USB SuperDrive. I got this so I could play CDs and DVDs in my computer. Alright, there we go. See, I still use CDs up till this day. It may be old school, but I prefer this one over the digital sometimes. And this will take a minute to spin up as well. Alright, there we go, it worked. So just like that, the CD works on my computer. But since it's copyright music, I'm not going to play it out loud. That's the M3 iMac unboxing today. So this is a huge upgrade for me, because I actually skipped the M1 iMac. So going from the Intel to the M3, the massive upgrade for me. And these cameras are much better quality than the 2019 earlier. So I won't be showing that today, but overall, this is a great computer. And I'll let you guys know how I like it after a few months of using this. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up to the video. Peace out.